Hi. So the lesson here in this following cringeworthy video is to always set your park brake. Don't always rely on your park to hold your vehicle from moving. And this vehicle you're about to see, I know had problems with their park because I've seen them using wheel chocks prior to this. So just a little setup. Taco truck driver pulls up. Someone's in his spot, so he gets out, and then the event ensues. And then stay tuned after, and I'll kind of give you the after story here and the kind of more of the backstory. But I want you to watch this first. Enjoy. Ooh, that's bad. So you see him, the truck starts rolling. He jumps in to try to stop it, gets tripped up, and that front wheel rolls over his left foot and just crushes it. It's shocking that he was able to get up and hobble forward to try to warn the drivers that were oncoming. And knowing that what happened to this man, young man afterwards, the surgeries he needed to correct that, um, he still hobbles. I mean, it crushed it really bad. But how about the driver that pulls up and just lets the truck go and just smash into him? He sees it coming for a mile away and doesn't back up. But anyway, super nice kid. Hate to see this happen to him, but the lesson here is use your park and brake. Thanks for watching. Bye.